George Fisher Piping Systems in the Americas. 9 manufacturing facilities, 7 sales and marketing companies, 2 dedicated distribution centers, a total of nearly 2 million square feet under roof, plus 30 acres of pipe yard, and more than 1,100 employees with over 20 nationalities represented. The Americas, 1/7 of the world's population, 1/4 of GF Piping Systems revenue. But what follows is an introduction to GF Piping Systems in North America, the economic engine of the region today and for many years to come.
In alignment with GF Piping Systems Strategy 2020, our NAFTA strategy has regional focus that is intended to drive profitable growth through customer-driven innovation and efficiency initiatives throughout our production footprint. These initiatives allow us to continue shifting our portfolio towards higher value products. To enable this, we've invested significant resources to bring aboard new talent throughout the organization, as well as implement training programs such as 7 Habits and Value Selling to develop our teams globally. We do all this to foster a spirit of teamwork, enabling true collaborative culture throughout piping systems, which will ultimately help us deliver high value for our customers.
Collaborating as one team, GF Piping Systems North America, means that every individual and each company in the business unit has a unique role to play. Manufacturing companies focus on product development, sales companies focus on market development. Workforce diversity, all but incidental in the melting pot of America, and healthy diversification in terms of core competencies and major markets served have been achieved through organic growth and by strategic acquisitions. These strengths become evident as the companies in the group are introduced. GF Central Plastics in Shawnee, Oklahoma and Dallas, Texas is GF Piping Systems' largest manufacturing entity in the Americas, providing polyethylene pipe and fittings, metal meter sets and risers, and other products for utility and process industry applications.
The primary focus of GF Central Plastics has been to offer complete connection solutions to the natural gas utility market. We are present in virtually every distribution network and have a very strong position with at least 15 of the top 20 gas utilities in the United States. Since adding HDPE pipe and fabricated fittings for the water distribution applications, we have become a full-service piping system supplier to the utility market.
GF Harvell has 3 manufacturing plants: Easton, Pennsylvania, Little Rock, Arkansas, and Bakersfield, California. Product ships from these 3 locations as well as from 4 other distribution centers in the U.S., enabling competitive delivery throughout the region.
At GF Harvell, we're experts in plastic pipe extrusion and injection molding of large diameter fittings. We manufacture a very diverse portfolio of pressure piping, waste piping, and double containment piping system with wide variety of materials of construction, and are leaders in the water treatment, life sciences, and marine market segments. New business developments in the cooling and refrigeration and commercial water markets will be very important to our growth in the coming years.
GF acquired Signet Scientific in 1987, and since that time, GF Signet has become the cornerstone of a growing automation portfolio across piping systems. Lean manufacturing execution and leadership in the innovation process from GF Signet are vital to the group achieving strategic objectives in North America.
GF Signet introduced the first paddle wheel flow sensor for industrial applications back in 1969. Today we provide industry with many options for measuring and controlling flow, level, various analytical and other process parameters. And the future will be brighter still, with new developments in cloud-based solutions and even more sensor technologies on the way.
GF USA in Irvine, California, the largest industrial sales company in all of piping systems. This location serves as headquarters for the Americas. It features a large training center and a market segment showroom for demonstrating how many GF products work together in target applications. The facility includes manufacturing space for the production of segmented fittings to complete skid-mounted systems. The versatility of the Irvine operation continues with CNC machining capabilities, actuated valve assembly and test, fusion machine servicing, a Class 10,000 clean room, and a large distribution center.
Much of our success in the U.S. industrial markets is based in having key relationships with premier players in each segment, such as Intel, Pfizer, and Nestle. The GF automation portfolio, including customized valve solutions, also differentiates us from the competition and now accounts for over $40 million in annual sales. Another important engine for healthy margins and revenue growth is our custom products and fabrication services business, helping to win projects and supplement GF manufacturing capabilities in the region.
GF Marine in the Americas, based in Miami, Florida, is an extension of the U.S. Industrial Sales Organization and serves the shipbuilding and offshore oil platform markets.
We are the largest and most experienced GF Marine retrofit division worldwide, with annual sales in excess of $7 million. Success in the marine market segment is largely dependent upon product type approvals from classification societies such as Lloyd's or American Bureau of Shipping, and certifications from organizations like the U.S. Coast Guard. GF has 15 different piping systems with such type approvals, more than any other plastics manufacturer worldwide. And today we are present in over 90% of the cruise vessels owned by companies such as Carnival, Royal Caribbean, and Disney.
The third most common language in North America, French, is used here to introduce Sales Company Canada and to emphasize that GF is adapting to fully address the Canadian market, including French-speaking Quebec.
Durant les derniers 10 ans, les ventes de GF Piping System au Canada ont augmenté approximativement de 600% pour atteindre 18 millions de dollars US en 2017. Cette augmentation a été atteinte principalement dans les segments de marché du traitement des eaux, des services publics de gaz naturel, ainsi que le domaine alimentaire et de refroidissement. Conformément à la stratégie 2020, notre objectif principal actuel et pour le futur immédiat est l'augmentation de produits fabriqués à notre usine pour le pays, ainsi que la promotion de notre service personnalisé pour nos clients de type OEM.
By the year 2050, the United States will have the largest Spanish-speaking population in the world, a fact that will increasingly help to shape the cultural and economic future of the region. With a significant and growing presence in Mexico, GF is well positioned as a supplier to the still developing utility, industry, and building technology sectors in northern Latin America.
En México, participamos en los segmentos de tratamiento de agua potable y de aguas residuales, distribución de gas, sistemas de refrigeración con glicol, sistemas de agua fría y caliente en hoteles y resorts. Desde el 2008, nuestras ventas han crecido cerca del 800%, alcanzando más de 15 millones de dólares en el 2017. Para inicios del 2018, nos mudaremos a unas instalaciones más grandes, en conjunto con GF Machining Solutions en Apodaca, para apoyar el crecimiento esperado.
GF Piping Systems, one team with many facets, active on every continent and definitely on the move in North America.
Recently, we were able to expand our global presence and technological competence with the acquisition of Eurocon, located in Quebec, Canada. As a specialist in pre-insulated piping systems for freeze protection and chill water, Eurocon is key to ensure regional availability of pre-insulated pipe that we will utilize in our CoolFit 2.0 and 4.0 product lines in years to come. In the end, the key differentiating factor will be our ability to leverage our diverse group of companies and employees throughout the region.
We are
We are
GF Piping Systems North America.